Have you ever experienced a meteor shower? To help capture the wonder, a video was taken during the peak of the recent Perseids meteor shower above the Indian Astronomical Observatory in Hanle, India, high up in the Himalayan mountains. Night descends as the video begins, with the central plane of our Milky Way galaxy approaching from the left and Earth-orbiting satellites zipping by overhead. During the night, the flash of meteors that usually takes less than a second is artificially extended. The green glow of most meteors is typically caused by vaporizing nickel. As the video continues, Orion rises and meteors flare above the 2-meter Himalayan Chandra telescope and the 7 barrels of the high-energy gamma-ray telescope. As the video continues, Orion rises and meteors flare above the 2-meter Himalayan Chandra telescope and the 7 barrels of the high-energy gamma-ray telescope. The 2-minute 30 seconds movie ends with the sun rising, preceded by a false dawn of zodiacal light. For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.